The year has started, and most people gone off with a bang and they chasing the year with motivation. But guess what? By the end of Feb, that motivation has faded, and so is any momentum that you've tried to build. And here's why. Goals without any behavior is just wishful thinking. And real leadership is about how you show up every day. The trick is not to set more goals. The trick is about building the habits that help you move forward, that help you create consistency, that help you create focus, that help create the ownership of those goals. And your team, they don't follow your goals. They just watch what you do. They follow your example. So if you want to make a shift this year, pick just one high-perf activity, one of those activities that will really move you forward in your business. And do that activity first thing in the morning before all the noise starts and you start getting the phone calls. But the trick is to do that every day. The trick is to do that no matter what as a non-negotiable. Because here's the thing. Leadership isn't about a title. Leadership is about a practice. It's about how you show up. And January, well, it's not about the pressures of January. It's about the clarity you have on your goals going forward. It's about the habits that you cultivate supporting those goals. So at the end of the day, when you want to lead people, lead yourself first. They will follow. Trust the process.